Daddy.
Well,
Welcome to the nature.
Nature show with Marissa. We're going on an adventure.
Yeah.
There's Missa. Kayla. So we go to the waterfalls. One time me and Lacey sat up at the very top and we slid down and plopped into the water. Don't fall. Don't fall. Car about missed it down the waterfall and it was great. Dixie Polly Stallion medallion. Gallop it out.
Let's go.
Germs. The top. That's the water where we were before. There's K-Bell sweating it out over there. Ooh, I don't know about this. It's a land bridge. These things are so cool. Ah! I ran into a tree. Is this where it ends?
I think you can climb down.
I don't want to climb down. I'll record you climbing down, but I'm not going to follow. I'm gonna put this down.
Hello. Puppy, hi.
Woo!
Hi.
Found a puppy in the woods. Just kidding. He's building a bridge.
Thank you.
I'm sweaty. Ready, Caitlin? We're gonna go play in the waterfall again because it is very hot and I'm very sweaty. So, woo! We're gonna go have some more fun in the water. Yay. I'm trying out vlogging because I want to do it whenever we go to Otakon and to Disney. So sorry if I keep looking at myself instead of the camera. And if the angles are bad and if I'm bad at vlogging, then you go the other way. I'm gonna go play in the water. We were gonna do this yesterday, but Missa was too scared to walk in the woods by ourselves. So we waited till today and Cara can come with us. And now they're down here throwing rocks at each other. This is pretty cool.
Yeah. Elbow that? Elbow it. Yeah. There you go. Pretty good.
Hey Missa, you want to stop and get ice cream on the way back through?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
There's that one ice cream shop by the Amish stuff, and there's also the dairy in Warsaw.
You want to get ice cream? I don't have money with me. but
I have money.
I can pay you guys back.
Yeah, I have money with me.
Let's go get ice cream. Come on.
We are gonna go get ice cream once Cara gets up the steps. There she is.
Yay!
We're gonna go get ice cream and leave this place behind.
For now.
For now, we're gonna have a picnic here sometime.
We got everything?
Probably film it then too, but just got.
Hi.
Yeah.
Got my fries.
Let's go get ice cream. My dad was helping these chicks get their car unstuck, and he hit this tree, and they didn't get mad at him. They just told him thank you and got out.